Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to show you how you can run a part using the handwheel run mode. To use the handwheel run mode, you can start your program, run, start, cycle start. And right now we're in the automatic mode, just slowing down the plunge. So rather than using your feed rate override to turn your percentage down to 0, you can hit F10 handwheel. So the program is still active, but right now you see the blue box on top saying handwheel mode. So now there's no movement, yet the program is still active. And as I turn the handwheel, the control reads the lines of the program, and we're moving in X and Y right now. You can see we're cutting in the X direction. It's going to get up to the corner, it's going to make the chamfer, and it's going to be cutting in Y. All by cranking the hand wheel. As soon as you want to stop all motion, just stop cranking the hand wheel, all the motion stops. You cannot go backwards through the program, it's only going to advance. So whether you turn the hand wheel clockwise or counterclockwise, it's only going to advance. So don't try to back up. And once you are confident your program is right, you can toggle off the hand wheel run mode, hit cycle start, and the control takes over.